thought we were rock starring out of there. Okay, so here we go. We are on our way. Just finished breakfast at the radio station. I will put the radio station's information in the description. So, hey YouTube, what's up? So, today we're doing a wee adventure. We're probably going to get absolutely soaked, but it'll be worth it because we're going to a pretty big biker event for anyone in Ontario. It happens every single Friday the 13th at a little city called Port Dover. Port Dover, I believe, has like 3,000 or 4,000 people living in it, and on a summer day, for one day, their population increases to almost 100,000 to sometimes 200,000, depending on how good the day is. Today, the weather's not great, but it's not bad, so we might actually get a good turnout. We had about, I think it was about 15, maybe 16 bikes at the breakfast place. It's basically a little meet and greet that the radio station holds. If a certain somebody hadn't been quite so eager, we probably would still be sitting there because I'm a chatter. I would probably chat forever. But we're on our way. We're gonna have a nice little ride. Unfortunately, we're probably gonna be pretty straight roads. It's a good distance to go. It's about 2 hours or about 97 kilometers. So it's a good little ride. It'll be fun. And once we get there, we walk around, we see some of the vendors possibly that are there, and see some of the stores, because there's a Harley store in town, and then there's a really awesome leather store. And so yeah, it's pretty neat. Like, there's so much to do. So I'm just excited. Oh, it's already raining. So we're gonna get soaked. I probably should have put my togs on already. Oh, school buses, they're always the bane of our existence. And I just realized that we are being followed by some people from the same club as us. We're both part of the Goldwing Riders Association. Goldwing Riders Association. Yeah, I got it all right. Perfect. So we're part of that. GWRRA. And it's, woo! Hello! We are getting, construction. Let the bikes through! Where's more of us? Of course, you're gonna have fun today, boy! You're gonna have lots of action on this road. So we just got the waves. That was definitely a biker, not on his bike. Poor boy. I mean, he's probably thinking, you guys are nuts. But I mean, he's out here too, so that really sucks that he has to be outside one way or the other. He gets to see all the bikes go by, but he probably will end up at Dover later tonight, to be honest. Most people don't head out quite as early. I mean, you're going to get a variety of people. Some people will matriculate in gradually through the day, and then there's going to be other people like us who show up really friggin' early. I shouldn't say like us, like Ron, like Cowboy. He likes to be early. He likes to ride, which I don't blame him. Look at the friggin' bike he has. It is the perfect bike for somebody who actually rides a lot more than I do. And I mean, I don't do bad, but I think I did more road riding than him last year. But he usually does, 20, 30, 40,000 kilometers in a summer, if not more. I think the one summer he had this bike, I think he did like 60,000 kilometers in a summer. Like, that is more than my bike even has on it. My bike is, I'm not sure actually. Let's see. It's actually not bad. It's actually close to 36,000 kilometers on it. So, I'm sorry, American friends and watchers. That is Canadian. Woo! Because that's what I am, and that's what I always will be, no matter what anyone says. Born Canadian, always Canadian. Except for Justin Bieber, you guys can keep him. We don't want him. You know, like just keep him. Oh yeah. So here we go. So do we have a topic outside of Port Dover? Actually no, not really. Not yet, at least. I haven't thought of anything else. So right now we're probably going to stop for gas in the next town, which is not yet, I don't think. Well, no, I don't think we're stopping yet. I know that this isn't the town. I think he said we were stopping in an area where we have a Timmy's. I don't really want to go to a Timmy's because I don't need to. I'm good. I mean, that'll be the last washroom break for a while, but you know what? I'm good. That half a pea meal sandwich, ooh, it really kicks the system in. Oh, it's been a while since anyone's actually watched me ride, so outside of you guys, so this is awkward. At least you're not seeing my butt. Okay, well, they're not seeing my butt either. They're seeing my back, but still, it's the same thing. They're seeing my bike's butt, and she's got a cute butt, but it's still a butt. Oh yeah, this is such a miserable day, isn't it? But it's not too cold. I mean, it's still got a little bite to it. But I have, hopefully, if it doesn't rain much, we should have a good day, because it's only like 9 o'clock-ish? May not even be that early. Or maybe not even that late. Might be different. Not gonna check, it's no point. But yeah, so we have is lots of fun, and hopefully by the time we get there you'll have heard me ramble forever. And we'll see what makes the cutting room floor, because Mr. Sir Berg is notorious for cutting everything out. You should yell at him. You should ping him on Instagram and tell him, stop cutting out all the funny scenes. Because he's got some bloopers we might have to convince him to try and keep. Because of the things that I say. I'm ridiculous when it's raining. Whew. I might say some things today, and it'll probably get cut out, because we must stay audience and family friendly. I am so not a family friendly kind of gal. Well, I guess I should say I'm not completely, but I mean, there are certain things that I don't really think matter that much, and as long as I'm not cussing around my family, I'm good. My mom does give me a little of that disappointed face when I drop an F-bomb or something around her. Well, you should really hear it when I yell like, whew. Yeah, that's gonna get cut. You're gonna just hear beep, 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 beep. Bloody. And you'll all wonder what I said. See me at SCMM and I might tell you. I'll probably forget, but I might tell you.
And bleep bloops.